Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had two directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis.
Hey guys, it's James with The Chart Guys. It's Thursday, March 30th. Going to do my nightly video on oil. So I said I was going to wait for a close above this 80 MA as it's rejected 1, 2, 3 times. And yesterday we got that close. I initiated a long position, and you can see the nice upside ahead. And what I like is that the bullish volume has been increasing on the daily. So now that it's gotten above this 20 MA, the next resistance I have is the high of this candle here of 50.64, and then the high of this candle here of 51.40. Those are the next resistances I see along, and this 51.40 here lines up pretty closely to this 200 MA daily at 51.30. So if we continue upward, I'm going to start to watch for the bull volume to potentially die out and potentially have some consolidation before we move higher. And we may get some consolidation before we move even to those levels because of the hourly RSI being so high. And you can see the hourly RSI is a little bit overbought. So we need some consolidation on the hourly as we continue higher. We don't want to come up to those daily price resistances with the hourly RSI so high, because it's going to be tough with some overbought conditions for bulls to continue to step in on bullish momentum and break above these price resistances. So again, looking at the high of 50.64, then 51.40 as the next price resistances on oil, along with this 200 MA daily. We do have a TCG bull cross. We are regaining this 20 MA, and what you would like to see is these 4 and 8 EMAs move above this 20 MA to continue this signal here on the daily chart. As far as the weekly goes, the weekly chart still has some work to do. Bulls are trying to regain this 4 EMA here. The next step will be this 8 and 58 EMA tests on the weekly, which line up pretty close at 50, the low 51 levels. And so we'll see how the weekly chart reacts if it gets there, should it make a strong move to that area tomorrow. And the hourly charts, let me see what we're going to look at here. On any consolidation on the hourly, because the daily is now bullish with the TCG bull cross and having the 20 MA, any consolidation here, you'll typically see these bear crosses on the hourly where the 4 EMA drops below the 8 EMA. And you want to see consolidation to the 20 MA and continue upward. That would be a nice scenario. But if it does lose that, you can just patiently wait for the hourly to get a TCG bull cross again. When the 4 EMA, let me zoom in. When the 4 EMA crosses back over the 8 EMA, the green line over the red line, and to have continuation in your favor with the daily being bullish. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.